Hi, I'm James and this is Whiteboard Wednesday. I'm also James. Is James in here? I am James as well. Hey! These guys are weird. So today we're going to talk about inventory in multiple locations. And sometimes that can be a headache if you have too many things. But there's ways that you can tackle that. You know, it used to be that if there were multiple locations for one company, back in the day they'd have to call each other, update each other, and it was kind of a headache. But now we live in a time where you can have your company in multiple states. You can even have locations in other countries. But through the use of software, you can know what their inventory levels are right now in real time, and they can be updating in real time so that you have the ability to control your whole business and build out your business how you need to. So how can your business take advantage of multiple locations? Well, now you're not constricted to staying in one place. If you need to, let's say, grow your business across different states to meet demand, you don't need to worry about how do I make sure that our levels are staying the same and that our information is accurate. Through a central hub of inventory software, you can know what your levels are, and that can also give an indicator as to what is selling, and even better, where it's shipping to. It now gives you multiple options into how to get more customers, how to quickly serve your customers, and how to have a much further reach in what your business needs. But even if you don't move across different states for your warehouses or your distribution channels, having the ability to control multiple locations, maybe even in just a small vicinity in the same town, it gives you the option of picking the place that best suits your business need, whether it is a cheaper warehouse alternatives on the other end of town, maybe it is a location for that particular type of item or product that needs to be close to other industries to both go back and forth, it's closer to a vendor, whatever your situation may be. By opening up the realm of multiple locations and having your business be able to be accessed and have correct, accurate levels at all times, you now have a much greater chance of opening up revenue channels and potential for your business. So, if you have questions about how to operate across multiple places, give us a call. And if you see a guy running around that looks like me, maybe he said something offensive, it wasn't me, it was the other guy. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday. Heard there was a James thing over here.